Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to draw something truly special, a beautiful rose. You know, a rose is not just a flower, it's a symbol of love, care and friendship. Long ago people used roses to express feelings that words couldn't say, whether it was love for someone special, respect for a friend or gratitude for the heart from the heart. So today, while we draw this rose together, okay, let's fill our hearts with love, kindness, and warm hugs because just like every petal of the rose makes it complete, every bit of love we share makes life more beautiful. Let's begin this sweet journey of drawing and love together. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, our beautiful rose is almost ready, and I hope you love this video. If you like it, do like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment on this video, please. Bye bye. Take care.